Parametric part modeling is built on relationships between features. This is great because it allows us to make changes to a design and have downstream features automatically update to those changes. But sometimes changes have the opposite effect. They break downstream features that were dependent on them. This can lead to a lot of frustration and time spent manually correcting references. And that is why we are so excited about the updates in this next iteration of Repair Manager. With this release, it is now possible for some references to be forward propagated. When you are in the Repair Manager and you have a broken reference, you will see a new Replace Reference option. Replace Reference not only allows you to replace the broken reference for a new one, but importantly, allows you to propagate that changed reference forward, meaning any downstream features that had that reference will also be replaced. With this update, you can now add Measure, Section View, and Mass and Section properties to your shortcut toolbar. In your account settings, under Preferences, Shortcut Toolbars, you will see 3 new options at the bottom under General. Simply check these options and you will see these tools available in your shortcut toolbar. Improvements have been made to scene list filters in Render Studio. Now, you can filter by more types like part or appearance. In addition, the scene list has now been split, and you will find appearances now in the lower half.